So, Janine Marciano out of San Beda.
Na ngayon naman sa service line na.
That means si Molina nasa harapan na.
So, expect Molina to be in front for PNP.
Ivy. Jen Reyes cannot get there. Bad reception there coming from Ate. And Ivy Remulla has been playing so well in this game actually.
Sabi ko, naingit ako sa kanya. Nice sharp serve.
May lugar pa naman sa mga ibang teams dito, Mosi. Still have a chance. Like that shot by Ivy.
That's right. And that caught line. Lucky break there for Ivy.
Talagang down the line yun. Nagtalim ng pagkabigay niya. Top spin attack. 14-9. At yung tropang power spikers. Nabuhayan na naman. Mga nakunan natin kanina sa likuran. April Jose gets there. And now Tadeo is having problems sa kanyang service reception.
Ayan, may awu-awu na. Parang kinukuryente.
Ganun. Then 15-9. Another timeout for PNP. Jose with a good serve. Here's Concepcion ngayon. Ayan na naman si Molina. Nai-inhale-exhale na si Molina.
Sitam.
Frances Molina scoring once again. Papalitan na naman si Gavin. Ito si Ogana.
Yan yung usual napalitan.
Pero 5 sub lang yan, ha? Hindi mo pwedeng every rotation. Kainglet gets to it. Jose for Ivy Remulla on a great angle.
Hot shot there for Ivy Remulla, and she gets it.
16-10. Second technical timeout of the 4th set. Finds Meralco up by 6. 16-10 sa ating 4th set. Meralco ginawa 17-10 ngayon. Mukhang nag-aamoy 5th set ngayon sa lagay na to.
And sabi ko naman sa iyo, tanggap lang. Tanggap lang.
Pati yung boss natin sa GMA News TV, si Ma'am Maribik Araneta, sinasabi rin, kasalanan ko daw pag nag-5 sets ito. Ayan, masasabi lang natin dyan, Ma'am Maribik, Mark Zambrano, it's for the fans.
Yes! Yan naman.
It's for the fans. Si Andong
That's right.
sinisipon.
Maganda naman na sinimula natin ng very exciting match. At again, bigla tayong natulala kung paano itong PNP maglaro.
Right.
Diba?
Well, Phil Kainglet adding more fuel to the fire or adding more voltage to the current. Pwede ba yun? Mahabol ako sa'yo. Mahabol ako sa'yo. 18-11 ngayon. 7 ang abante rito ng Power Spikers. Maureen Penetrante Owano. Good serve. Concepcion ngayon. On the combination for Molina. Walang suporta para kay April Jose.
Well, April Jose was able to take that up, pero yun na nga, medyo mababa at wala siyang katabi dun for the second ball.
Well, now Jen Reyes coming back in. Titignan natin kung poproblemahin pa ni April Jose yung mga ganong klaseng reception sa magpasok nitong taga Marilao na si Jen Reyes.
Servicer Molina.
Malakas ang serve ni Molina.
Medyo pinadali ang buhay dun ng Meralco as they get the serve once again.
Ito na si Miss Capite. Magsaserve na. Si Ate Ivy.
Service ace for Ivy Remulla.
Gulat ni Concepcion, may nahuhulog na lang na bola sa harapan niya.
Meralco
If
extends
it's one
their lead
family
to 8.
pizza, it's gotta be Shiggy's. 20-12. Meralco dominating this 4th set. Ate Ivy muli. Tadeo, Ogana, free ball. Here's Jose. Phil Kainglet, pasugod na tira. Concepcion ngayon. That's a good dig from Kainglet. Morada, wala sa pwesto.
Sinave lang yung bola, but ball still in play.
Down by Marciano.
Nahawakan na ni Marciano.
Parang di nila nire-respeto si Jen Reyes Kung nasaan siya, doon talaga pinapapunta. But it's still a 7-point lead for Meralco. Camilo Gana. The lefty from Cebu to put it in play. Ilang beses na yan kay Ogana.
Hindi agad kakamali, pangatlo na yan.
Yeah.
Pangatlong service error na.
Ito na si Phil St. Merced Kainglet. Taga-Bacolod. Iba naman. Ayong rehiyon. Tadeo. Concepcion. Hindi nakita ko nasaan yung net. Wala na timeout ng PNP, ha?
Di medyo na-miscalculate yung pwesto niya.
Substitution.
Babalik si Labrador who started this game. He will sit
That's
down.
right.
For Labrador in.
Meralco needing only 3 more points to go to a 5th and final set. Final.
Yeah, titignan natin. May habol pa naman yan. Umiiwas talaga.
Sabi ko sa'yo, acceptance is the key.
Here's Concepcion. Oh, may habol pa. Oh.
Pinanak by Marciano.
Sabihin lang naman ni Coach Bob yan, it takes 25 points to win a set.
Correct.
Habang pwede pa, pwede pa.
Labrador to serve.
Ito ngayon, si Jalene Labrador.
22.
Put it in play. Morada. Nasa gip. Concepcion. Tatuwing. Kinaliwa. Reyes. Binuhay. Mercado. Concepcion. Kinaliwa na naman. This time nahulog na para kay Marciano.
Marciano, just that high leaping ability. Napakadali tignan.
Ayan
Wait
na.
for the push.
Ayan na. Unti-unti na yan. Good time out. Good time out.
Tinakot mo eh.
Para kay Coach Oliver
Tinakot mo si
Almadro.
Coach Oliver.
Oh, good time out to. Labrador serving. Eto na. O, si Paneng. Dati pa natin alam mataas lumundag yan. Up to near.
Oh!
Walang check ball. Nagkatapakan pa. Ito si Morada at saka itong si Marciano. So, 23-15. Jen Reyes, butik na mapugutan doon sa kanyang tira. At ito ngayon, si Morada to put it in play.
Yan, sa Phil Kainglet. Checking, just making sure who's going to
Oo.
serve.
That's a very intelligent move there by Phil
Yes,
Kainglet.
correct.
Kasi si Jen Reyes nag-aalangan lumabas eh.
Hindi, tsaka kasi pasok, lumabas ang libero.
Pero
may
ayaw pumasok.
na
Oo.
bago si Morin.
Hindi, kung hindi lang hinila ni Jen si Morin, uupo pa rin si Morin. Ibig
Kaya-
sabihin, ikot na tayo.
That's right. So, ngayon, maliwanag na ang lahat.
Yan.
Sinliwanag.
Ng buhay.
Ah,
Back set ngayon. Ayan na po. 9 set points for Meralco to send us to a 5th set where anything can happen.
yup.
Substitution.
Palitan ng tao. Si Remigio babalik
Oh,
ulit.
babalik ulit. Maiba lang ng diskarte.
Remigio, of course, started this game as the setter. Siyam na set point. Isa lang ang kailangan ni Micah Morada. Tignan natin.
Ganda pa ng serve.
Right. Tatuin. Reyes. Jose.
Nice.
Paneng Mercado.
Inigurato.
Eto na. Simulan na natin ang ating pagbabatikos ngayon. Fifth set na po tayo. 25-15 po ang ating score at the end of the 4th set. Let's take a look at our Shakey's Shake and Play. Paneng Mercado, airborne, and is surely going to send us to a 5th set, which we will have after this.
Ito ang Shakey's V-League. Bira na!